Start with cricket, as former two-time world champions the West Indies must show improvements in the batting, bowling and fielding departments in Wednesday's second one-day international against Bangladesh to level their three-match series, according to skipper Jason Holder. This after the Caribbean side lost the first ODI by 48 runs at the Providence Stadium in Guyana on Sunday.
Quite easy for Mushfiqur behind the stumps. Pressure.
I just think we need to improve on all three departments, just sharpen up. Our general fielding wasn't good enough in my opinion, As I said, we missed a few chances. And, in terms of our bowling, I think we could execute a lot better at the end. Obviously, bowling like two set batsmen at the very end isn't easy, but I think we could have been a lot better today in terms of our depth bowling. And batting away, we've just got to find ways, to build more partnerships and build bigger partnerships and go as deep as possible into the innings.
Holder added that Shimron Hetmeyer is a player that the Windies will be banking on to bat deep to help them secure victory.
Yeah, it's something that him and I have been talking about for a little while. He's probably one of the better players to spin in our dressing room, and he's also one of the few left-handers that we have in the middle order. I just encourage him, to go deep. I spoke to him last night before the game, and one of the things we spoke about is him backing down to at least the 35th over before he starts to go and starts to expand. Probably the situation in the game today maybe had dictated him to go a little deeper than the 35th, down to probably the 40th over, and then giving the hitters at the end enough leeway to come in and execute their game, but it's something we just spoke about as well, but he's a young talented player. I think he will learn as time goes on, and we just got to invest some time in it.